Hello, this is Darin Martineau, and in this video, I'm going to talk about my new product, which I call Mentalism Secrets Volume 1. Now, in this one, you're going to learn all about forces, glimpses, and outs. You're going to learn over 250 diabolical methods that may be used for magic or mentalism or mental magic. So, you're also going to get, it includes 3 bonus ebooks as well. So, this is what you're going to learn. You're going to learn card forces, Part 1, Part 2. You're going to learn the Raised Rise, which I use for an out of the Classic Force. You're going to learn the Hornswoggled Force. You're going to learn tons and tons of the best card glimpses in Part 1, 2, and 3. You're going to learn a secret card glimpse method, very sneaky. You're going to learn the box card force and switch number 1 and the box card force switch 2, which are utility moves. With all of these moves that you learn, you're going to be able to create your own mentalism and your own magic as well. So you're also going to learn the very best false cuts. I'm going to teach you easy false shuffle, and I'm going to teach you a false shuffle created by my mentor, Alan Ackerman. I'm going to show the past. I'm going to show the real work tipped here, stuff I've learned from Jeff Latta, Chris Kenner, and subtleties from Louis Simonoff, and my own subtleties as well. You're also going to learn um, incredible impossible card locations. I teach you several of these. Easy, impossible card locations, 1, 2, and 3, and much more. You're going to learn an effect called Name That Card, which is a principle that you can apply to create any type of magic effect. As you will learn these methods, you'll be able to see they have universal applications. In this effect, Name That Card is something that Lance Burton performed on television many years ago, and it's a really great opener. Next, you're going to learn new impromptu prediction. You're going to learn how to do mentalism when you're propless. You can just borrow the objects from the spectator and do an impossible impromptu prediction. You're going to learn the effect called Never Say Die from Ken Krenzel. This is a universal info glimpse method. Okay, this one is out of Tarbell. You're going to learn my original mentalism as well. I have an effect called the Christmas prediction, and I show it in 3 different videos progressively. First with 5 outs, then with 10 outs, and then with added subtleties. You're also going to learn a mental card routine with 6-way outs. You're going to learn many of my informational secret glimpse methods for mentalism. You're going to learn over 5 methods, plus much more. You're going to learn my new invisible deck routine, which is absolutely incredible. You can watch a demo in the video, performance video. You're also going to learn what's called double future prediction, which is my original effect for a thought of card and a thought of number that you're going to reveal. Absolutely amazing. The principle alone is amazing. You're going to learn something called the premonition, which can be used for a stop effect, a stop anywhere effect, or also card to number, like an ACAN, any card to any number, which is a great principle that you can put to work in any kind of ACAN routine. You're going to learn a routine called the future deck, created by Jack Vosberg from the Scarnion cards. You're going to learn the sealed card mystery, which is from Tarbell, but I'm going to show you 2 incredible secret glimpses instead of just 1. I'm going to teach you an effect called Vice's Mentalism Routine, which is a great mentalism piece, which is awesome. You're going to learn my original revolutionary deck, which is any thought of card can appear anywhere. It can appear in your wallet, in your pocket, in your shoe. Absolutely amazing. Next, you're going to learn an effect called the X Factor, which is my variation of my mentor, Alan Ackerman, and his mentor, Ed Marlowe's routine. But I've modernized this. It's also going to include 3 bonus magic books. You get 202 Methods of Forcing by Ted Anman. You're going to get my Invisible Deck Miracles book. These are ebooks. This has 12 chapters. And then you're going to also get 11 Self-Working Card Tricks book that I've written an ebook. So click on the link and get this now. And thank you very much.